Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your data worry guard. I spend a lot of time worrying about privacy, data leaks. Now it seems I need to worry about supply chains, too.
And I'm Joshua, your tech buzz lover. I get excited by anything with AI or electronics. Today's news kind of has both.
So here's what's going on. A new report shows that in the third quarter of 2025, many electronics manufacturing services, EMS, and original design manufacturers, ODM, especially in China, are shifting their focus. They're moving away from simple gadgets and consumer electronics and pushing hard into automotive electronics and AI servers.
That's gigantic. Why? Because AI servers are the backbone of today's massive AI model deployments, data centers, and cloud infrastructure. The demand for AI-ready hardware is booming. At the same time, automotive electronics, from EVs to smart cars, is also in high gear globally.
Exactly, and DigiTimes suggests that this shift isn't small or temporary. It's structural. Many Chinese EMS, ODM companies that used to assemble smartphones, TVs, or basic consumer gadgets are retooling their factories, upgrading capabilities.
And it makes sense. Compared to consumer electronics, which are seeing demand stagnation, AI servers and car electronics offer bigger growth margins, long-term demand, and resilience.
Think about it. Global AI services, cloud computing, data centers all need server hardware. And automakers worldwide are shifting to electric vehicles, ADAS, smart car electronics, which require complex electronics.
For supply chain watchers and tech investors, this could reshape which countries lead global electronics manufacturing over the next few years. China's EMS pivot may challenge older supply chain hubs.
But there are challenges, too. Such a shift needs new skills, tighter quality control, compliance with automotive and AI hardware standards. It's not just plugging the same factories with different orders.
Right, and because of rising geopolitical tensions and export rules on AI chips and components, global trade might complicate expansion.
Still, the takeaway is clear. The electronics world is fast evolving. Factories that once made cheap gadgets are now building the servers and car brains of tomorrow.
If you work in manufacturing, supply chain, even tech policymaking, this is the moment to pay attention. The era of just phones and TVs is fading. Welcome to AI servers and smart car factory era.
That's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, stay alert.